So once you set up your phone and you set up on the control tab all the information that you need for your app to work, now all you need to do is upload your messages, and you're going to do that on the SMS tab. But before we go to the SMS tab, I want to talk about templates. Templates are a very important feature on our platform because it allows you to create predefined messages that you can use uh, for your mass sending of text messages. So for example, if I want to do land buyers 1, land buyers 2, I can create as many templates as I need and give each template a name. So for example, if I want to do a message that says, hello, your insurance number is 12345. Please call us back at this number so we can go ahead and sell you a new product, for example, right? You can create these automated messages using placeholders, so that way, even though your message is going to be the same message to everybody, the placeholder will make sure that each message is personalized to each user. And let me show you how this works. So right now we already have two templates created, right? Land buyers 1 and land buyers 2. Now, the placeholders that we can use are these ones that we have right here on the right side. So we have placeholder name, first, address, city, zip, template, today, and now. And it gives you a little bit of information of what each one does. But for example, if I wanted to create a new template, let me just go ahead and clear the contents. Let's say the first name that I want to create is agent-1. And this is going to be hello. Because each number has their own name, I don't want to say hello everybody or just hello and make it a generic message. I want to see if I know that each of my phone numbers, I already have the name for those phone numbers, so I want to personalize them, right? So I would go hello and then open up the placeholder. Make sure to use 2 of the curly brackets when you're opening, and I'm going to put name. So name, and then close it. I saw that your insurance number, and then I want to add the number. Let's say I add it with zip. I know we're not going to use the zip as a number, but we can just add the information that we need on this placeholder, and then we can use it. So zip. I saw that your insurance number zip is about to be suspended. Call me back or reply stop to avoid getting contacted again. Now these messages are SMS messages, so make sure they're 160 characters or less. And always to add the stop function or the stop notification on the message so that you comply with any regulations that you may have in your country. So in this case, we are using the placeholder called name and the placeholder called zip, right? If you want to make another one, you can do so. So, oh, sorry, there we go. Agent-2, and this one's going to say hi. It's going to be a variation of the same message, but written down differently. We can do hi, name, please call me back. And let's do a third one just for giggles. Agent-3. Oh, sorry, -3. And this one's going to be, hey, I got your message. Name, call me back, please. Something like that, okay? So we're using placeholders, we're using a template feature. Now all you need to do is that when you go to your messages, if you go down here and you add the numbers, let's say, I'm just gonna make these numbers up, right? Let's do this, and let's just copy them down here. Oh, sorry, there we go. There we go. Even though it's the same number, you're gonna add the numbers right here. This is where you add the message that you want them to receive. You leave this alone. This is just the status section. It'll show you if it was sent to the phone or not, or if it was skipped. Then the template. So right here, you're going to put the name. Is going to be Barbara. This is going to be Jacqueline. This is going to be Robert. And let's say this is Jesus. And let's just do this. Okay. This is, oh, sorry. So I'm going to go here, and then let's put another one, Rebecca. Okay, and then the address, you might not need the address. Just make sure you have the name and the phone number at least. But the address, let's just say 123 Main Street, right? And then the city is going to be, let's do Las Vegas, Nevada. Okay, so we just do this. And now the information for the address, city, and state, this is just basically if you want to send messages with this information on them. So if we go back to templates, let's just change this one from zip. Let's change it to address, right? Okay, I saw your number, and then we'll put in the address. Okay, so you have this information right here, which is perfect. Okay, now this is where the fun begins. So the template, you select which template you want to send to each of them. Now the template, like I said before, is because you're using placeholders. So if I do agent 1 right here, that means that the message that this person is going to receive is going to be this one. Agent 1 is going to be, hello, Barbara, I saw your insurance number at 123 Main Street, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and you can select as many templates as you need. So in this case, we can do agent 2 right here. And down here, agent 3. Or you can just do agent 1 for everybody. We wouldn't recommend sending the same message to everybody just to avoid getting flagged. But if you can do it, it's fine. Now, if you mix it up a bit, it'll be harder for you to get flagged with your number that you're not sending spam. Now, you have two options right here. If you want, this is optional, if you want, you can see how the message is going to load on for the end user. If you want to do that, you just click on Control and click Templates, Apply to Blanks. Do that, click OK, and then you go back, and you're going to see how these messages are going to send. Now, this one and this one didn't load because I have a spelling error right here, so I forgot the E. Just add it right here. Oh shoot, let me just write it up again. Agent-1 and agent-3. Okay, let me just do that again. Go to Control, apply to blanks, go back, and this is how they're going to see each of the messages. Okay, you don't have to do this. You can leave them blank. Oh, sorry. Or you can just leave the templates that you want to use, or you can avoid adding a template and just write the message that you want directly on the message column. That works also. So just make sure that you don't leave both of them blank, because then the number will get skipped and you won't send anything at all. Okay. So once you do that, you're all set. You just click on Send All, and it'll send the message to everybody. Now, before you send all, I would recommend that you send a test row. Add your number on the first row right here, and just click on Send Test Row. This will send it as a test only, so you can verify how your message is going to look. But if you're feeling lucky, just go ahead and click Send All. That also works. We also have a stop button, so if halfway through you remember something, or it's not working, or your phone got disconnected, or your computer died, or whatever, well, if your computer died, you're not going to be able to click on stop, but if your phone died, you can just click on stop and retry it. Now, what if you have a list of 1,000 numbers, right? You can't expect to be entering different templates manually. That'll take forever. So what we went ahead and did is we added the randomize button right here, as you can see it. This randomize button, all it does is that it'll randomize the templates that you can use on the phone numbers. How do you use it? Very simple. If I just go ahead and clear this, and I go, well, I don't want to add them manually, I just go ahead and click randomize. We'll get this pop-up right here. It'll say select the template names and then the columns, right? So before you click on cancel and OK, you just go down here and go to templates, and then you click on the template names that you want to use. As you can see, it auto-populated right here. You can also do control and then click these two, or just click all of them. You can do as many as you want. Click OK, and it'll say you have 17 numbers to send. I'm going to fill in the blanks for 17. You want me to continue? Click OK, and OK again. And now it automatically randomized all the templates messages for your numbers on the SMS template tab. What this does is that it allows you to send different messages, still personalized using the placeholders, to all of your numbers. This way, you don't get flagged for sending the same message that starts to look spammy to all of your recipients, right? Another option that we have that can help you is if you go down to the control tab again, right here you're going to see one that says seconds between SMS. By default, it's 4 seconds, so that means each message will be sent every 4 seconds. But if you want to avoid getting flagged, we would recommend you put this number at a higher value. Maybe one message per each 120 seconds. Maybe that's 2 minutes, maybe 1,000 seconds. It's up to you really, but the more you spread them out, the lower chance you have of getting flagged. So as you can see, all of the feature that we have on this platform is basically to help you avoid getting flagged, but you need to know how to use them. So basically right here, put it back to 4, and then go back to SMS template, and that's it. You just click send all, and that's how it works. You come back, you delete these, you delete the status, or not delete, you clear the contents. Make sure you don't delete anything you're not supposed to, because then the program won't work. If you do that by mistake, just go back, re-download it, and start over. But you just upload your messages, clear contents, upload new messages, do it again. Now, if you go here to the statistics tab, you're going to see how many messages you can send and how many actually did send to your phone and how many failed. You can click on here on the B column at the very top, click what you want to see. Last 7 days, I haven't sent anything, so everything is in zeros. But you can do year to date, last month, this month, last 30 days, 14 days, 7 days, or custom. You can choose the custom as well. And it'll give you like a preview of how your campaigns are going.